Welcome to the MDMOTO Group channel. I am Engineer Mendoza and today we are at Colorado National Monument. We will be going to Grand Mesa and then to Vail. Check it out.
Okay, here we are up on Grand Mesa. It's a little over 10,000 feet, 10,500 feet. We got a little ways to climb. I don't know if this video does it justice, but it's really quite an incredible scene up here. And we're on our way. I think we're gonna come over the top, go down, and then we'll be headed up north towards Vail. 3 north in Colorado. Just stopped by a water reservoir. Look how low it is. That's just crazy. Anyways, it's a dam. It's quite lovely. It goes down a little ways. If that thing ever went, there's a little town at the bottom that would be completely obliterated. I don't think that'll happen, no. But it is nice. And where's Deja, you say? Well, she's having a little nap right there because she was starting to fall asleep. So if we're getting tired, we just pull over, rest for a few minutes. Otherwise, you do crazy things. Looks like somebody knocked her out. Yeah, the traffic's pretty good, and the road's in nice condition. The vistas are good. I find I gotta keep my eye on the road though, because some of the views are stunning in Colorado, and you could just drive right off the corner. So there's that. But it's lovely. It's midday, or well, it's about 3 o'clock actually, and we've got a few more hours to go before we get to our destination. So we'll take a quick nap here, and then we'll motor along. You didn't have it recording?
No.
Good.
Okay, we start again.
Okay, so here we are. We've made it to Vail, Colorado, which is a ski resort, and we're gonna spend the night with a good friend from Cabo San Lucas. And it was a really good journey. It was a little later than we thought, so we got a little tired towards the end, but we still made it here in daylight, which was fantastic. And we showed up, and there was some hot soup and sourdough bread ready for us, and that was really quite fantastic. And that was our trip. It was about 440 kilometers in total. Amazing scenery. The drivers, for the most part, were pretty good. There was just one little incident, which Deja managed super well. And other than that, it was pretty good. So I hope you like this one. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.